You see, when you're a Jamaican, certain things you immediately pick up on. You now make them think they pass you. Me I drive past one of my neighbor them a while ago and see them a cut down them coconut tree. Them not cut down the tree, them a prune the tree. And the whole of them coconut up on the ground. Say them a go dash it away. Of course, you know, say, is the lighter persuasion people in me a talk about. So them don't know the value of what go on here, so. Ladies and gentlemen, me pull over, jump out of my car and say, hand me them, please. You know who drink coconut water the whole day, right? Yes. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Coconut water, me say. Let me chop one right now. I don't business. Coconut woman is balling out, and every day you can hear her shout, get your coconut water. Oh my God, it's sweet. Woo! Oh, no, miss out, Trust me, no, miss out. What? What you know? What you know? All of this coconut flesh. All of this. May I tell you, I have 11 more to go. 11 more. Who want one? Eh? I don't know, nobody no live close to me. And me want to live right here, so nobody no live close to me. Let's see. Let's go. Oh, fresh. See my spoon? That's my spoon. Hold on, I'm going for the next piece. That is my spoon. This is my breakfast now. Yeah, man. Just see the man I cut down the tree and I say, excuse me. You have to talk, you know. Excuse me. Are you getting rid of those coconuts, sir? He's like, oh yeah, you want them? I'm like, hell yeah, you know I want them. He said, come and get them then. And him have 2 more trees for go. So you know some might just roll go back down there. Some people that going like, I'm too cute to bake coconut. Well, I'm too cute to not eat it. You know how much one of them in our store? A Florida? $3. And that is if them now chop it up for you and wrap it in a bubble wrap and all the style. $3. $3. And me just get a dozen. You know how much money that? It was under the coconut tree. Darling, it was under the coconut tree. It is where I get the 12 dozen coconut. It was under the coconut tree.